You've built your system, your channel runs on autopilot. But here's the truth most creators never realize. Automation doesn't make you rich, monetization does. Because 1 million views with no strategy is just noise. But 10,000 views with the right system can pay your bills. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn your YouTube automation setup into an income engine, even while you sleep. Let's start with the 5 major income streams every automated channel can tap into. Some of them you already know, others will surprise you. This is the most basic one. YouTube pays you for every ad that runs on your videos. But here's the secret. Your niche decides how much you earn, not your views. 1 million views in entertainment might earn $1,000. But 1 million views in finance or AI, that could be $15,000. This is where real creators start earning. You recommend tools, books, or products you actually use, and earn a commission for every sale. No inventory, no customer service, just value and trust. Your video teaches, your link earns. When brands pay you to talk about them, that's sponsorship income. Even small faceless channels get deals if they target a loyal audience. Forget subscriber count. Brands pay for trust. And if your audience listens to you, you're valuable. The most scalable way to earn? Sell your own knowledge, ebooks, Notion templates, mini courses, or paid guides. It's the one income stream where you control 100% of the profit. Ever had a clip go viral? Brands, websites, and TV producers will pay to use it legally. Upload your clips to licensing platforms and let your content earn long after it trends. Now that you know where the money comes from, let's build your monetization system, step by step. Not every view is equal. Finance, AI, software, and productivity channels earn the highest CPMs. Avoid random topics. Aim for focused, high-value audiences. Even before you hit 1,000 subs, you can start earning through affiliate links and lead magnets. Build a link in your description that adds value, not just sales. Every video should have one goal: move the viewer closer to something valuable. That might be subscribing, joining your email list, or buying a product. Each video is a door, not a dead end. What gets measured grows. Use YouTube Analytics, Google Sheets, or Notion dashboards to track your top-performing topics and links. If one topic earns twice as much, double down. Once your system works, it's time to scale. Hire more freelancers, automate uploads, and repurpose every video into shorts, TikToks, and Reels. Because one idea shouldn't just make one video, it should make 10. Consistency beats creativity. Automation beats burnout. But connection beats them all. Even in faceless channels, your storytelling keeps people watching. So use curiosity, emotion, and rhythm in your scripts. That's how you make money and meaning. So here's the secret to YouTube wealth. You don't get paid for making videos. You get paid for solving problems. Your automation system runs your channel, your monetization system runs your business, and together, they buy your freedom. In the next video, we go deeper. I'll show you exactly how to hire your automation team, build workflows, and scale to multiple channels. Even if you're starting solo, you're not just watching videos, you're taking smart steps to freedom.